all of us have spoken about robotics, right, Shiva? That to the extent that with the likes of Figure, Tesla itself, launching its humanoid robot, uh, all of us, including the industry leaders, feel that probably 5 or 10 years down the line, all of us would have some form of robotics in our day-to-day life, right? Like how we use smartwatches or wearables today. So obviously, everyone has been investing, but Beijing has just launched Tiangong, right? That's what they're naming it. But how probably this becomes a little more different than probably what Figures or probably what Tesla humanoid robo has been able to do is it's been able to do two things, right? So one is that it's been able to run to up to 6 kilometers per hour speed, right? Just as a human does. But in the video, what they were showing Shiva is that it was able to adjust its gait, right? And it's a 43 kg robot that they've actually built. It was able to adjust its gait based on the underlying terrain. So it was able to step or probably walk on the steps and probably adjust its gait. Right after the steps, it was able to walk straight. But then probably after a slope or probably then when a slope came in, it slowly adjusted its gait and speed to that, right? In fact, it looked, so adjustable and so real, at least in the demo video again, is that when it was stepping on the steps, it faltered on one of the steps, but right for the next
Okay.
step it was able to gain its balance and then probably adjust its gait again to walk on that step. So definitely looks very promising and challenging again. An interesting speed to be seen.
I mean, the Figure robot, which where an OpenAI was an investor, made a lot of ripples. Then the Boston Dynamics new crazy creepy robot that we saw is also something that was creating news. And now this Chinese company, I don't know, Rishabh, I don't know if we are already moving away from generative AI to robots. So, I don't know, it's too early to say, but yeah,
I was just
huh?
reading, NVIDIA has actually launched, although it's a research project or an experimental project that they're working on called Eureka, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah, yeah, yes.
and what it's able to now do is it's able to it's although Eureka is a dog type of a robo that they've actually launched, but innovatively again it's able to probably walk on balls, right? So the video actually showed where it was able to adjust uneven services, unpredictable services on the go, right? So definitely, I think uh, very early to predict, but it's moving as fast, probably where we can see adoption coming in the next couple of years rather than decades, for sure.